What's good, YouTube? Couple of things I just pick up. The first thing is a spark plug tester. I was walking down the highway, I see it, so I just grab it. I don't know. And also, I grab a Pittsburgh 72 teeth, 1/4, and 3/8 ratchet. And that one, you pull it backward, and then you can extend it. So that's for my toolbox. I also pick up a 29 pieces drill set bit. And when it comes to these, I always end up losing the small one or break the small one. So I'm trying to see if I can keep this whole set in order instead of losing them or break the small one. So when it comes to these, I just not able to keep all of them together. So we'll see how this whole set do for me. This was free. I had the coupon. And also I pick up a torch kit for those rusty bolts or whatever. Pick one of them from Menards because Harbor Freight didn't have none. They probably have this part, but they didn't have the tank. And also, I also bought a extra. And this here, this is not for my welder. This is for my neighbor welder. His welder got the plastic one, and we couldn't find the right size. Mine fit on his, so we couldn't find the right size at Harbor Freight. So as I was working the hire, I see this one at Menards, so I grabbed one of them. So yeah, it took nothing much. I'm just trying to piece everything together so I can start tearing my Chevelle apart, do a frame off. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. Like, subscribe, dislike, whatever you guys feel like. And I'll see you guys in the next one.